Hello friends, in this session we'll see how to download and install Visual Studio Code. So first type in your browser download Visual Studio Code and then click on download Visual Studio Code Mac, Linux, Windows option. And now according to your operating system, download your file. If you're using Windows, click on the file below Windows. If you're using 64-bit, click on the 64-bit near user installer. Now your file will be downloaded. Now the file has been downloaded. Now you can click on the file. You will see a window. Click on I accept the agreement option on the window. Click on next. If you want to create a desktop icon for Visual Studio Code, click on create a desktop icon and then click next and then click install. Now the Visual Studio Code has been installed. Click on finish. You can click on the desktop Visual Studio Code icon to open Studio Code. Now this is how we download and install Visual Studio Code. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you.